Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing red color. First we're coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we're coloring the alphabet of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. We are again use the color of red. Now we are using red color. The next one is D. Now we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. So kids, now we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing green color. Now we're coloring the alphabet of E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabet of E. The next one is numbers. First we are using the number of 1. And the next one is 2. Now we're coloring the number of 2. And the next one is 3. The number of 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The last one is 5, the number of 5. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Now we're coloring the number of 5 and the next one is triangle. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. Kids, now we're using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. The next one is heart, the shape of heart. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of heart. The next one is star. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we're coloring the shape of star. Now we're coloring star. And the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. And the last one is square. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.